students. I am Avani Shukla, pre-primary educator of Countryside International School. Today I am here with one more video that is about sentence reading. So let's read simple sentences. First one is T-H-E the, K at cat, I-S is, O-N on, T-H-E the, M at mat. So let's read it together. The cat is on the mat. The next one is mom, got, tom, a dog. Mom got Tom a dog. The next one is Bob, fell, in, well. Let's read it again. Bob fell in a well. Then we have Max, wet, T-H-E the, mop. Let's read it together. Max wet the mop. The next sentence is T-H-E the, and hen, I-S is, in, T-H-E the, box. The hen is in the box. Let's read few more sentences. A pig, I-S is, in, T-H-E the, mud. Let's read it again. A pig is in the mud. Then we have next sentence. I am a boy. I am a boy. Then we have S-H-E, she, I-S is, a big, cat. So let's read it together. She is a big cat. Next is H-E, he. H-E, he. I-S is, a dog. He is a dog. Then the next is T-H-A-T, that. I-S is, M-Y, my, her at hat. Let's read it together. That is my hat. So students, here I am ending with sentence reading. I'll be back with few more videos. Thank you. Bye. Take care and keep reading.